Another 90 voters of Tipra Motha from 37 families joined under the banner of Bharatiya Janata Party through an organizational meeting in Rangiatila area under Krishnapur Assembly. Tribal Welfare Minister Vikas Debarma welcomed their new supporters with the party flag. The breakup of Tipra Motha continue in various areas of Krishnapur Assembly constituency under Telemara subdivision. On Sunday, once again there was a major crackdown at the Tipra Motha at the hands of local and district level BJP leaders including Minister Vikas Debarma. Another 90 voters of Tipra Motha from 37 families joined under the banner of Bharatiya Janata Party through an organizational meeting in Rangiatila area under Krishnapur Assembly. Tribal Welfare Minister Vikas Debarma welcomed their new supporters with the party flag. Khwai District Committee member Bijan Kar and other members were present.
Dine 29 Krishnapur Vidhanasabha ne bisingo 9 number vote Rangiatila o 36 family ne 90 voter Tripura Motha yakare tine BJP o joton borok tine jogdan khaika agami dino tebo jogdan khainai sara Tripura rajyo Delhi no norok joton saimono tine BJP o joton phaibiyo agami 2024 लोकसभा दुईटा सीट जों नरेन्द्र मोदी जी उपहार होनाय ताई बुसखांगो बिरोधी शून्य खायनाय हामबाय.
Senior citizen, women and youths of that local area were attended the event on that day, which is noticeable. Reported by Hiranmay from Telemara, Chini Khorang.